And then in about an hour, I'll be on the toilet. Nature's laxative. You just peel it like a banana. It's so juicy. They don't always carry these at Sprouts. What am I talking about? Sprouts? Like I have a Sprouts around here. They don't always carry these at Kroger. But when they do, I always pick them up and eat the whole thing. This is gold right here. Got such good fiber in it. If you can get your hands on one of these, yeah, I would. I'd rather always go to the bathroom than be constipated any day of my life. It was beautiful.